Ever wanted to create your own cute knit sweater? Welcome to a heartwarming tutorial where we'll be crafting a charming knit sweater adorned with a lovable teddy bear and frolicsome cats. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just starting out, this whimsical project is an exciting addition to your winter wardrobe. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to knit this delightful sweater and how to personalize it with your own creative touches. So gather your materials and let's start creating this adorable knit sweater. Before we dive into the knitting process, let's discuss the materials you'll need and how to choose your design. First off, you'll need some soft yarn in your favorite color for the sweater. A pair of knitting needles, sized appropriately for your yarn, will be your primary tool. Don't forget stitch markers to help you keep track of your progress, and a yarn needle for sewing together pieces and weaving in ends. You'll also need some teddy bear and cat-shaped buttons or appliques, along with a sewing thread and needle to attach them. Now, let's move on to the design. This is where your creativity truly shines. Decide where you want to place the teddy bear and cats on your sweater. Perhaps the teddy bear could be peeking out from the bottom hem or nestled near the neckline. The cats could be playfully chasing yarn balls across the sleeves or gathered around the cuffs. Once you've decided on your design, it's time to start knitting. Now that we have our materials and design ready, it's time to knit the main body of the sweater. We'll follow a basic pattern, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own. The key here is to keep the design simple, allowing our cuddly companions to take the spotlight. Let's start with the cuffs, hem, and neckline. We'll use a technique called ribbing, which creates a stretchy fabric that's perfect for these parts of the sweater. Ribbing is just a pattern of knit and purl stitches. Alternate between them, and you'll start to see the textured pattern emerge. Next, let's knit the main body. Continue with your chosen pattern, keeping in mind the placement of our teddy bear and cats. Balance is key here. Too much detail on the sweater can make your design look busy and take away from our charming companions. With the main body complete, it's time to add our adorable companions. Now comes the fun part, adding our cozy companions, the teddy bear and cats. Let's begin with our cuddly teddy bear. To create this adorable feature, you'll need to knit or crochet a small teddy bear shape separately. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. The charm is in the handmade touch. Once you've created your teddy bear, it's time to give it a home on your sweater. You might decide to have it peeking out from the bottom hem or nestled near the neckline. Simply secure it in place using your yarn needle and some thread in a matching color. And voila! Your teddy bear is ready to bring warmth and joy to your sweater. Next, it's time to add our playful cats. These can be buttons or appliques, depending on your preference. Position them as if the cats are peeking out from cozy nooks or chasing yarn balls across the sleeves. It's all about creating an image that brings a smile to your face every time you wear your sweater. Once you've decided on the perfect spots, secure them using your sewing needle and thread. Remember, the beauty of this project is in its flexibility. Feel free to place your teddy bear and cats wherever your heart desires. It's your creation, and it should reflect your unique style and personality. With the teddy bear and cats securely attached, our adorable knit sweater is complete. Now that your charming knit sweater is complete, it's time to show it off. Slip into your whimsical masterpiece and admire the playful cats and cuddly teddy bear you've skillfully incorporated. Feel the softness of the yarn, the snug fit of the cuffs, and the warmth it brings. Isn't it just delightful? You might also consider recording your knitting journey. A step-by-step video tutorial can be a fun and rewarding way to share your passion with others. As you highlight your process, emphasize the thoughtful placement of the teddy bear and cats. These details are what make your sweater truly unique and endearing. Finally, don't forget to showcase your creation. Snap a few photos or take a quick video. Share your artistic endeavors with the world. It's always a thrill to see how others interpret and adapt a project. Remember, knitting is all about creativity and personalization. We can't wait to see your adorable knit sweaters. Share your creations and experiences in the comments below.